Hi everybody, I'm really sorry there are some technical issues in my mobile, so that's the reason I'm not able to give you a full stretch video of my learning. So what I was saying in my last video was that a Montessori child is well versed by 3 years of age. So if you train a person in a Montessori way right from the birth, he or she will get fully trained before they enter into the school life. So Montessori child is basically teaches a person or basically teaches a child to be self sufficient and to have their own knack in things. So when we say that the child is neglected, and so we all wanted to have child. So do you want your child to develop haphazardly, or do you want your child to develop scientifically? So since I am talking only at present about the educated class, I'm not talking about the people who don't have that privilege of being educated. I'm only talking of the sector which is already educated. So do you want your being an educated parents, do you want your child to grow haphazardly, or do you want your child to grow scientifically? If you want your child to grow scientifically, then definitely Montessori at home is necessary in today's world, because it offers so many unrest in the world. So what Montessori child does, because it is Montessori trained, any challenge, and it is always so. Montessori games and Montessori props are designed in a way you give a task to a child, you give always a challenge, and let the child figure out the best possible way to come out of that challenge. So since you are training the child right from the birth, the child becomes a habit for the child to face any challenge. So then parents, even in the adult age also, they don't have to worry about their child, whether the child is safe or in a safe environment or in a really risky environment. You don't have to bother about your child, because you have invested in the child right from the age of the birth. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Once I get more knowledge about Montessori at home, I'll impart it. Thank you so much.